Pay close attention because over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you not one, not two, but 5 secret weapons for generating highly targeted leads and converting them into sales. Now, if you don't know a thing about lead generation, don't worry and don't leave. You don't need to be a lead gen guru. You don't need to have any lead generation knowledge at all, in fact. And you don't need to have technical skills thanks to what I'm going to share with you right now. What you need to know is that this is the most effective way to generate viral leads and convert them into subscribers and thus sales. They push all the psychological buttons that compel people to participate, opt in, and ultimately buy. And these secret weapons can increase your sales by up to 80% or even more. So what is it that can generate thousands of leads without a single cent spent on ads, with no programming required and only 2 minutes time? Quizzes. Yes, those online quizzes you've seen before on websites and social media. If you're like most people, you've taken more than one of them, and you found you felt compelled to complete the quiz so you could learn your final score or get a discount that you were promised. That's why quizzes work. They engage people in multiple ways. They're fun. They create open loops that our brain must carry out to completion for closure. And they gamify things like discounts and opt-ins. And once again, how well do they work? An online eyewear company generated over $1 million in revenue with 29,410 lead conversions and the 9,655% return on investment. Now that's just crazy. They did all that in 6 months. A small teeth whitening brand generated $123,855 and 19,212 leads with an online quiz as well. And one marketer even used online quizzes with Pinterest traffic to generate 1,310 extra leads without spending a single cent. Now the problem is, until now, you've had to know coding in order to put together and post an engaging, productive quiz, or you've had to hire a pretty expensive programmer to make this work. Both options are nothing but problems. And that's why we created Quizzmate, the all-in-one, easy-to-use, 2-minute viral traffic system. Quizzmate gives you 5 powerful quiz types that you can create and post in less than 2 minutes, with no coding skills, no technical knowledge, and no money spent on custom programming. We designed a special drag-and-drop system that makes it super easy for anyone to create multi-step quizzes that engage, retain, and convert. Quizzmate creates incredible lead generation quizzes in 3 easy steps. First, you log into your online dashboard. Next, you select and create your quiz using our easy, intuitive drag-and-drop quiz creator. And finally, copy the code snippet and paste it anywhere you want your quiz to appear. It truly is as simple as that. A compelling lead generation quiz, start to finish, in less than 2 minutes, ready to generate and convert highly targeted leads into opt-ins and buyers. Anyone could do it. Our 5 quiz types that are proven to grab people by the brain, triggers, and practically forces them to hand over their email address and more. You get the engagement quiz, which starts with a yes or no question to draw prospects in and polarize them. It then progressively narrows them to your desired targeted result. Next, there's the poll quiz for collecting opinions from your prospect. Everyone wants their voice to be heard. You know that. So when you give them this perfect chance, they'll share their thoughts on whatever subject you want. Plus, they'll opt in. You get the score quiz, one of the simplest, most effective ones. It's a secret weapon, in fact. You know what it does? Everyone wants to see how they score. So what they do is they follow through to the end. You can even force them to enter their email address to get that score, plus redirect them to offers based on how they score. These are viral sharing gold. Fourth is their surveyor quiz, allowing your prospects to enter ratings along with their opinions. Now they're really voicing their opinion in multiple ways, which means you're pushing multiple buttons. And finally, the Sales Gen quiz, a deceptively simple question and answer quiz that generates insane responses. This one is interactive to the max, and a spin the wheel section, which will keep your prospects locked in and on task, is included too. Each of these quizzes can be pumped up with scarcity timers and more, giving you the perfect storm to drop your prospects into. And each quiz you create can be shared on any site as well as your social media accounts. Just look how many leads and sales we have gotten from using powerful viral quizzes created with Quizzmate. You could create your quizzes from anywhere on any device, even while lying in bed on your cell phone. No confusing website code, no tough plugins or apps, no geeky tech guru knowledge is necessary. And you could get all 5 of the Quizzmate secret weapons, so to speak, for a low one-time payment if you act right this moment. There has never been a more powerful way to generate leads, email opt-ins, and sales. And it's all guaranteed, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Scroll down to get all the details right now and hit that button to grab your Quizzmate access today. This is exciting. Finally start generating those highly targeted leads, opt-ins, and sales that you deserve.